You can't tell me that this ain't my hair. Yeah. You can't tell me that this ain't my hair. You can't. Hey guys, it's Tanoa. Welcome back to another video. So today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved this beautiful curly look. So if you're interested on how I went from this to this, just make sure you keep on watching. And y'all, shout out to HerGivenHair for sending me this unit. I'll be using their 18-inch 3-in-1 half wig. It is a Kinky 4B4C texture in a natural color, and all the details, including a link and a coupon code for up to $60 off your order, will be in the description box below. So please be sure to check that out. Like, that is a deal. So this unit has 4 comb attachments, and they also give you an extra one in the box. It also has a drawstring in the back that allows you to make the wig smaller so you can do other hairstyles such as ponytails or even half up, half down looks. I honestly absolutely love just how versatile this unit is. The box also contained a book on how to care for the wig, a headband, which I'm not gonna lie, I did not know what it was at first, but anyways, the box also has an extra comb attachment, so in case one falls off or if you just need to add an extra one, you can do that yourself. So starting off, I have my hair braided just regularly with the front sectioned off. I added a wig cap and then applied the wig, making sure to secure it with the comb attachments as well as a drawstring in the back so that it could fit nice and snug on my head. Girl, I would not want to embarrass myself and have this wig falling off. Like, please, can you imagine? Can you imagine? No, that is not happening over here. But anyways, to style the hair, I just went ahead and sprayed a little bit of water, finger detangled, and then I added a little bit of mousse, brushed it in, and then twisted up the hair because I'm planning to do a twist style. And then I basically repeated all this throughout the back of my hair until I reached the front. Also, y'all, I just wanted to point out how like similar this hair was to my hair. Like, I was shocked. As you can see from this clip, like that thing looked exactly like my hair. I was like, okay, this is gonna work out. This is gonna be nice. But anyways, when I reached the front, I was kind of debating on whether or not I should do a side part or a middle part. And of course, I went with the middle part. I always go with the middle part. I don't know why I try to act like I'm not, but anyways, for the front, as you saw, I added a little bit of gel, smoothed it in, and then topped it off with some mousse. And for the twisting part, I made sure to twist my natural hair with the wig so that it could blend seamlessly with my natural hair once I unraveled the twists. Y'all, I was pleasantly surprised at how natural these twists were in my hair. Like, it looked as if all this hair just really grew out of my scalp. It was giving, this is my hair and you can't tell me otherwise. And also, the shedding was also very, very minimal, which is really good. But fast forward to the next day, I just went ahead and carefully unraveled each twist and then separated them one by one. Once I was done with that, I picked it out a little bit, and then I'm not gonna lie, I just stared at myself for like a good minute or two. One, because the hair looked really good, but also because I realized I needed to shape it a little bit, and that's exactly what I did. I got my shears and cut off a little on each side. And then once I was done with that, I just laid my edges, and yeah, this is the end result. Oh yeah, you can't tell me this ain't my hair. Yeah, you can't tell me that this ain't my hair. Yeah, you can't tell me that this ain't my hair. You can't. But yeah, you guys, this is it for this video. Like I said, like, this is my hair and nobody can tell me otherwise. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.